How to speed up Telegram download. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can speed up your Telegram download. Now if you're downloading some media on Telegram, it might be movies or files, and you're getting quite a bad slow download speed. So what you can do is you can go ahead and first you want to close the background apps. Now you want to close the unused background apps, and this might help fix your issue. This might increase your download speed as well. Now next thing what you want to do is you want to make sure that your Telegram application is updated to the latest version, and you want to make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now if even if you update it and you're having problem with download speed, then it might be your internet connection. You want to make sure that you're connected to the faster internet connection. You can disable your data saver on Android and iOS if you have enabled the data saver option here. So if these options don't help, and if it is not the issue, then what you can do is you can open up Telegram, tap on the three horizontal or the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then tap on settings. Under settings, if you scroll down, you'll get the option that says Telegram Premium. You can simply tap on it, and you can see here, if you scroll down below, you'll see that under Telegram Premium you'll get various options, and you can see faster download speed, no more limits on the speed with which media and documents are downloaded. So you can subscribe it for $3 per month. So you can tap on it and you can go ahead with your payment system and adding your payment, and you can go ahead and get the Telegram Premium, which will increase your speed as well. So this way you can speed up Telegram download. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.